Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Mishra. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA NET paper first. It includes most expected multiple choice questions on people development and environment. People development and environment एक important chapter है पेपर फर्स्ट में जिसमें से कि क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. पार्ट 24 है सीरीज ऑफ वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स में. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Pollutants like PAN and O3 photochemical smog cause A. Irritation of eye, B. Irritation in nose and eye, C. Respiratory distress, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. To green pieces, A. NGO, B. An inhibitory process, C. Government policy for specification, D. All. Correct option is A. NGO. 3. The wet forests of Amazon basin are known as which one of the following? So correct option is B. Selvas. 4. Fluorides enter plant leaves through A. Leaf base, B. Root, C. Stomata, D. Stem. Correct option is C. Stomata. 5. The geographic limits within which a population exists is its. Correct option is D. Territory. 6. Ecosystem is the system resulting from the integration of all the living and non-living factors of the environment. This statement was of. Correct option is B. Tinsley. 7. The special characteristics of plants and animals that enable them to be successful under prevailing set of environmental conditions are called. Correct option is B. Adaptation. 8. Eutrophication means. Correct option is C. Nutrient enrichment. 9. What percentage of land area of India provides to the global diversity? So correct option is C. 8%. 10. Cultural eutrophication is caused by the addition of too many. A. Ammonium, B. Nitrate, C. Phosphate, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 15. The Earth planet along with the atmosphere, that is air, water and land, that sustains life is called. Correct option is B. Biosphere. 16. Which of the following is not correctly masked? So here correct option is D. Terra rosa, most suitable for roses, is not correctly masked. 17. Which of the following is the most widely used form of renewable energy? A. Coal, B. Fossil fuel, C. Hydropower, D. Wood. Correct option is C. Hydropower. 18. Population dispersion is the A. Mixing of two populations, B. Spatial distribution of individuals, C. Movement from one fixed point to another and back again, or D. Movement away from a natal site. Correct option is B. Spatial distribution of individuals. 19. Which of the following is the most harmful pollutant? So अगर आप compare करें, so here correct option is D. SO2. 20. Man-engineered ecosystem is cropland. Correct option is C. 21. The main function of biosphere reserves are A. Conservation, B. Scientific research and education, C. Development of ecological aspects, D. All of the above. So correct option is D. All of the above. 22. The habitat of a population is the. Correct option is D. Places where it lives. 23. The population growth rate R is inversely related to generation time. Correct option is A. 24. Noise pollution is created if noise is in excess to. Correct option is A. 80 to 100 decibel dB. 25. The example of endothermic animal is. Correct option is A. Man. 26. The IUCN and Red List system was initiated in the year 1963. Correct option is A. 27. Population size may decrease as a result of immigration, or B, mortality, or C, both A and B. Correct option is C, both A and B. 28. On the 2000 red list, how many species are listed as threatened? So correct option is B, 11,046. 29. Which of the following is the basic unit of study in ecology? A, population, B, environment, C, biosphere, or D, organisms. Correct option is D, organisms. 30. Minamata disease in Japan was chiefly due to mercury pollution. Correct option is C. So ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है. Minamata is directly related to mercury pollution. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope you have liked it. And if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of